Hi guys, to receive this Sacker cordless buffer polisher for ribbon purposes, it uses a 12 volts lithium-ion battery, and you can use it to polish your car, clean your stove, clean your glasses, or wash your sink. It has 6 different speed settings. It got a switch button, the speed dial, the battery, and a 6-inch sticky disc, and comes with all these polish heads, a cloth, a charger, the battery. So let's go and open it. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3 heads. This like to polish. They're really fine. Feels kind of weird that it touches your fingernails. It's weird. We got another. I've always liked this one. This is a battery. I'm gonna take it out. It's really small, which is nice. It's rechargeable. You can charge it right here with the DC power adapter. Just plug it in, and that's all. Here we've got the main unit. Okay, this is the main unit. It's really compact, which is nice. So I'm gonna place the battery. You can change the intensity. This maximum speed. So you can polish anything. I'm gonna turn it off. Try different heads. I think I'm gonna try this one. Looks fun. It's really easy to use, and it's perfect to cleaning, polish, whenever you need it. It's great. I like a lot that you can adjust the speed manually and easy with the speed dial. I would recommend it if you want to clean your windows. It's perfect. You can get a very nice cleaning, or if you want to polish your car to get it paint done, it's a great option. It's really powerful, which is really nice. I'm gonna take this cup and try it on. You've got different styles. I'm gonna place this one. So it's really nice, and I would recommend it. See ya!